Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I got about an hour of daylight left, maybe a little bit more. What I want to do between now and dark is I want to fill in the depression in the ground from that box. I already started the other day, but if you can see right down here, there's a depression in the ground where the power cable was run to the barn, and it drives me nuts when I'm mowing this area. I mean, I don't know if you can see it, but it's about a 3 to 5 inch depression in this ground right here. So I'm going to run new dirt in this trench and get this smoothed off, and then I'm going to go back here. I'm going to continue to put dirt around the back side of the barn where it's settled a little bit. I've put some here so far, but there's still more to do. So let me get on the tractor and start pulling the dirt out of the bank. right, that's a little bit better. So it's now Saturday morning. It was a cold one last night. I got down to about 32. It's about 40 degrees right now. What I need to do now is adjust the box blade on the back of the tractor so that I can push this dirt back into the little depression you see here. For the most part, you can see it filled it in, particularly way up there, but we have some issues with the wet soil not going down into the depression like I wanted to. So I need to use the box blade and push the dirt back into that trench. So let's go back here and I'm going to adjust the box blade. I had it set so I could push snow with it. The back of the box blade was lifted up so I could push snow and not push the gravel off our driveway. So now I got to set it back to where it should be to push this back. So let's go adjust the box blade and we'll start pushing this dirt back into the middle of the depression here. As you might remember during the review of this tractor, the top link here is what you adjust to bring the box blade forward and back. So what I want to do is lean it back now as much as I can, or what makes sense. Loosen this nut here so that you can turn this. Take a look at this. We'll try that for now. Just tighten this up. I'll just kind of watch that as we go. But let's go out here and try to push some of that dirt where it needs to be. Oh, by the way, I got to try to get this smoothed out too this morning. Rake out those pieces of roots and stuff. So here's the finished product. I'll show you what I've done. I did the majority of it with the tractor, as you saw. And then I use the rake and shovel obviously to finish it off, but it looks pretty good here. The rain will make it settle in. It's a lot better than it was. So now I'm going to take the tractor and pull the dirt away from the barn and provide a gradual slope away from the barn. Shouldn't take long, then I'll rake that out and then we'll be done for the day. So it's all done. Take a look. I got a better slope now, and it hopefully should hold rain a couple times and it'll settle down. I did this side of the door too. Here. Alright, so that takes care of that. If you like these videos, please subscribe, hit the like button, and tell your friends. Thanks and take care.